guys, here we are again on the edge of a railway line. Pretty dry at the moment, not much water in that little creek. This railway ballast is a bit sketchy to ride on. She's got a bit of holes. You got to have a bit of pace on it, I think, to make it feel a bit better. Changed out here. I never used to have all that ballast right spread out like that. It used to be all like this part here. It used to be able to fly along. Down for all this crossing. You can hear that gravel, that ballast, they call it, that blue stuff. You can hear it under the tyres back there. Gilly in the bottom. Broken his dog. Grumpy old shit. Wave, be friendly, don't go fast, and he still gives you the Can't believe what else is going on, birds. Nice little railway line run. Turn out here because otherwise we've got to cross the railway line there, and that's not really allowed. Not really. Not for YouTube anyway. Alright, oh, hang on. Where am I going? Where is the track? Oh, down there. That was a bit stealthy of it, wasn't it? So lose the front end again, go around a tree. Oh, man. Freaking terrible. on, big girl. That was a bit misleading. The track looked like it was going straight ahead to me. Mightn't have on camera, but it did to me. So I'm still just following my nose. Alright, where's this one go? Lots of big bangs and bashes going on. Hill we go. Where it goes, nobody knows. A bit more compression onto the back shock before. That's made a little bit of a difference. The way the back end's trying to grip. We would have thought normally it wouldn't do that. Nice little berm there. Yeah, alright, now where? Oh, I reckon I know where we are. I believe I know where we are. Geez, these Krieger bags sit still. They don't move. They're really good. Anyway, going past the old battery dam. I think it's the battery dam. Yeah, battery dam. Dam's in there. I shall probably catch you next week.